Hello, my name Gursimranjit Singh. This is my project, To-Do List app. In this project, we use three files: index.html, style.css, script.js. One static folder that holds all images that used in this project. This is a index.html. Head tag. Head tag in some meta tags that show information about page to the SEO, search engine optimization, and second is link main CSS file, and third is to-do list app title. This is the body section. In this is the main div container that hold all the to-do list app code. Third, second, this div contain the logo, title, input box, and list of tasks. This is title and logo. This is div for input section. This is unloaded list container, contain the list of tasks and horizontal line. This is p tag for show left task. Second is style.css file. In this top, this is for remove default margin, padding, and select font and box sizing. This is main div container formatting. This is for to-do list formatting and styling. This is for to-do list heading styling. This is for to-do list heading logo formatting. This is for input box styling. This is for input box format. This is add button styling. This is for task list styling. This is for show list not done styling. Set all odd list item to the different color on list containers. Darker background color on hover on list. This is for task remove icon formatting and styling, and task remove button mouse hover, and p tag margin top. Next is script.js file. This is logic of our project. On the top, selector for input box, task, and list container. Next, variable to keep track of the task left count. Next, load task left from local storage if available. Function to update task count. Next, function to add task to the list container. When user click on add button. In this code, first check input box value is empty, show alert, you must write something else. Create element li dot inner HTML add input box value. List container append li child. Next, create element span dot inner HTML add icon cross. Li append child span. Increase the task count, update the display task count, and save data in local storage. And clear the input box. Next, event listener to toggle task as a done. Here remove them. List container, apply on add event listener. Click target tag li target class list toggle check. If the target class list contain check, task left decrement, else task left increment. Update the task count, save data. Else if the target tag span on click, variable parent li. Check the condition. Note parent li class list contain check. Then decrement the task count. Parent li remove, update the count, save data. Next, function to save data in local storage. Set item method used to store data in local storage. Next function to show data from local storage. Local storage get item method is used to get data from local storage.